In this video, I will be disassembling this JX35/QX60 OEM Infiniti Bi-Xenon headlight. I will begin by removing the lens. I've disconnected the lens from the light. Here we can see that the bezel is connected to the lens using approximately 4 Phillips head screws. I will begin by removing the turn signal reflector. It is held in place by 3 Phillips head screws. In order to remove the projector, I will start by releasing this bottom outside mounting tab. Simply use a pair of needle nose pliers to squeeze in on the 2 tabs and push the bracket forward. Next, I will release the bottom outside mounting bracket by squeezing in on the top and bottom tabs and pulling the bracket forward. At this point, the projector is free and the housing is pretty much empty. The only thing left to do is to push this wire grommet through the bottom of the light. Then we will disconnect the Bi-Xenon connector from the projector. And simply feed the wire harness through. In order to remove the projector from the bracket, we must first remove this front bezel. The bezel is connected on the rear using 2 Phillips head screws. The projector is connected to the bracket using 3 Phillips head screws. At this point, the headlight is completely disassembled. We can remove 2 Phillips head screws from the projector that is connecting the lens to the projector bowl. Here are the components of the projector. Here's the projector fully assembled. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.